So today I'm going to do two functions, the Xlookup and the index match, right? So for the Xlookup, if you're using the 2019 version or the Microsoft 365, it will be available to you. Now you want to select what you're looking for, right? So we're looking for employee ID 1054. So you put a comma, and then you're gonna put where you want to find this. So I'm gonna click Control Shift and down. So I highlight everything that I want to highlight. Now we're looking for the pay rate. So we put a comma right there, and then the pay rate is gonna be here. So again, Control Shift and all the way down. And I'm gonna put a comma. Now, if it's not there, I want to say not there. So quotations and your equation. And there you go, 1125. So as you can see, the only difference between the VLOOKUP and the Xlookup is the VLOOKUP, it has to be the first row. For the Xlookup, it does not have to be the first row. So the second function is called index match. So it's basically a function within a function. So we've done that before. So index, right there. So basically what you would type down, the first part in this section is the department. So the department is right here. So Control Shift down again to highlight everything and go back up. And you put a comma and then you put a match, which is the second function. So you're looking for 1056. So you put a comma, put that in, put a comma, and then you want to select all these numbers down here. Again, Control Shift and down, and go back up here. Equation, so comma, and you want 0 for exact match. Remember, you want 2 parentheses here, and enter. And there you go. And it's just basically the same thing for the pay rate. Now, if I click going across over here, it doesn't do the same thing. Now, in the next video, we'll go over why it doesn't do the same thing. Until then, thank you and have a good day.